Life after 50 is a beautiful journey, isn't it? Filled with wisdom, experience, and hopefully, a growing sense of self. But sometimes things feel a little off. Aches, fatigue, maybe just a general feeling of sluggishness. Today, let's talk about something that might be contributing to those feelings. Inflammation. Think of inflammation as a little fire burning inside your body. The good news is, you have the power to influence that fire. Inflammation is a natural process. It's your body's way of responding to injury or infection. But when that fire burns too long or too brightly, it becomes chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to joint discomfort, impact your heart health, affect your gut, and drain your energy levels. Our modern lifestyles often fuel that inflammatory fire. Think about it. Processed foods, sugary drinks, stressful situations, they all contribute. Specific triggers include those ultra-processed foods, sugary treats we all crave sometimes, and those tempting fried items. But here's the empowering part. Food can be medicine. Choosing the right foods is an act of self-care. First, embrace the power of berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. They're all fantastic. Berries are packed with antioxidants, which help fight inflammation. Add them to your oatmeal, yogurt, or just enjoy them as a snack. Next, let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Try adding turmeric to curries, soups, or even making a comforting turmeric latte. If this touched something inside you, tap the like button. It helps others find it too. And tell me in the comments, what are your favorite anti-inflammatory foods? Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on feeling your best. Now, let's explore some more ways to reduce inflammation naturally. Load up on leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other greens are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with vitamins and antioxidants that support your body's natural defenses. Add them to salads, smoothies, or enjoy them as a side dish. Next, choose healthy fats. Olive oil, avocados, and nuts are your friends. Healthy fats help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Use olive oil for salad dressings, snack on avocados and nuts, or add them to your toast. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Water is essential for flushing out toxins. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep helps your body repair and rejuvenate. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to wind down. Manage stress. Find healthy coping mechanisms that work for you. Meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, connecting with loved ones, and deep breathing exercises can all help. Remember that little campfire we talked about. You can control the fuel you add to it. Healthy choices are like adding water to the fire. You're building a foundation of well-being, one choice at a time. Nurturing your body is an act of self-love. It's not about strict diets or deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that support your body's natural healing ability. Listen to your body and give it what it needs. Find joy in eating delicious, nourishing foods. Be patient with yourself and practice self-compassion. Each small step is a victory. You are strong, resilient, and worthy of feeling your best. You are not alone in this journey. Let's support each other. Share your favorite anti-inflammatory foods in the comments below. Let's create a community of support and inspiration. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might find it helpful. You deserve to feel light, free, and full of life. Let's walk this path together. Thank you for joining me today. Be kind to yourself, nourish your body, and take good care. Wishing you all the best. Until next time, stay kind to yourself and take good care.